How to apply NI number in UK. So step 1, go to gov.uk and search apply for a national insurance number. And then step 2, start the application by signing in with your government gateway account. Step 3, provide your details including your full name, date of birth, UK address, and contact information. Step 4, upload the required documents, usually proof of identity, like a passport or biometric residence permit. Step 5, submit your application. In some cases, you may be invited to a short online interview. Step 6, once you are approved, your NI number will be sent by post. This can take a few weeks, so apply early if you need it for work. Step 7, keep your NI number safe. You will need it for jobs, taxes, and benefits. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.